Hi guys, this is the Affiliate Hustler back again with a new video, and in this video I want to show you how to make money online by copy and pasting links. Now, before we jump into the video, if you want to see how to jumpstart your affiliate marketing career and how to make money online with affiliate marketing, please subscribe to my channel, hit that bell icon, and comment and like my videos so you get also notified when I release videos, and also you help me grow by letting know the YouTube algorithm that you like my content. So let's get into the video. So guys, let's get into the video. Now, how does this method works? How can you make money by copy and pasting links? Well, by using sites that are called classified ads. You maybe know classified ads, you maybe don't know classified ads. But mainly what classified ads are, these are web pages that model the same style of classified ads of newspapers. You know, where you read newspapers and there are like job opportunities or nearby your area. Well, these web pages do the same but worldwide. These are like job opportunities and also listings of any category worldwide that you can post for free worldwide. Yes, so as you can see, we will be using a site. Okay, we'll be using a site worldwide, a classified site that I will be revealing now. So here we'll be posting our ad. By the way, the ad, you can, in these sites, the ad is free. You don't need to pay like any other ad network for being on this site. So once you create your ad, what this will do, obviously, it will generate traffic because people will start seeing your ads. And what this ad will contain, it will contain an affiliate link to a product that you will be promoting from ClickBank, JVSU, or WirePlus, because obviously to make money with this method we'll be using affiliate marketing, because obviously you and I don't have a product to promote. So that is why this method involves affiliate marketing. So here is the offer. So here is the offer. So if someone sees your ads, sees the offer, and buys from you, you get paid. That is basically how this method works. Now let's put it into action. What is the site called? Well, the site is called the freeadforum.com. You can now copy. I'll give you time to copy the link. However, I will be putting the link in the description. Now, as you can see, this works the same as classified ads on the newspaper. You have business opportunities, classes, job opportunities, real estate job opportunities, services job opportunities like legal services if you are a lawyer, for sale. For example, if you want to Craigslist is another classified ad website where they sell animals, book magazines, CD records. Basically, they also sell things for free. And here, you could also, as you can see, someone in here is doing the method that I'm going to show you. If you are interested, there's thousands of categories for you to choose an offer. Now, how do we choose an offer? Obviously, in this case, I will be choosing an offer that is related to the business opportunities and work from home opportunities. Business opportunities and work from home opportunities. And obviously, what I will be using in this case is called ClickBank. Yes, ClickBank, as you may know, is an affiliate network for digital products. Yes, info products mainly. Also, you can use JVSU, which is an affiliate network for digital products also, but mainly focused on software products like editing software videos and automated business software. And another affiliate network that I also recommend for beginners is called Warrior Plus. Why? Because these products are very low cost, meaning that it gives you a higher chance as a beginner to get a sale, because they, as you can see, they cost $41, $31, $20. As you can see, these products ranges from 12, for example, $12 for these products ranges from from $10 to $40. For a digital product, that is a very low cost offer, and that is why as a beginner I really encourage you to start using Warrior Plus. Yes. Now, once you have your offer, in this case I chose ClickBank University. I always choose ClickBank University from ClickBank because I really like that product. So what you will do to grab the link is hit the promote button. And what I always recommend with ClickBank, so as to know where the traffic is coming from, is to put the traffic source. In this case, we'll be driving traffic from the free ad network, from the classified ad network, which is called classified ads. Classified ad here. So I will generate a hop link, and here is my link. Now, once you have your link, before you even go to the free ad forum, the free ad classified forum, and do your ad, what I would really encourage you to do is to go to the affiliate page. The affiliate page is a page full of resources already done by the vendor, so that you can have tools like copywriting, banners, images, email swipes, so for us to have more chances in selling the product, because they hire these copywriters and marketers to make all these resources for you to have a better time selling these products, and so as to make it easier for you to sell these products. So why not use them? So here is the affiliate page of ClickBank University, where, as you can see, it has a lot of email swipes. Here they also have keywords for you if you are doing Google SEO or want to run Google Ads. Or here are also they give you the demographics of the people that are highly likely to buy these products, and they also give you banners so as to put on your blog site. So what in this case I'll be using is the email swipes, but now in a second you'll see why. Now let's go to the free ad forum, so I can teach you how to post ads on these kind of web pages. Also, there are thousands of these sites in the internet, so if you don't want to use the sites, there are thousands. You just have to go to free classified ads on Google. Just type on Google free classified ads, and I guarantee you there are lots of pages like this. I just chose this one because I knew the site, and I have excellent results with this site. So what you will do is, first you will have to create an account, and then you will choose publish your ad for free. Once that's done, well, you obviously will have to choose a category. In this case, I will choose work from home. Now, as you can see, this is why I will choose the email swipes from ClickBank University's affiliate page, because it has the same style like an email, and it makes sense to put the same resources as an email in here, because obviously now when you will see the ad, you will see that it makes sense. It will make sense. So what I will do is I will copy exactly the same thing that is in here. Reveal the #1 secret of millionaires. And hey, here well, oh, now I have to redo the affiliate link because I copied and pasted the email. So I'm grabbing the link again. And the good thing of grabbing an email swipe is that they already show you where you have to put the affiliate link. In here, in parentheses, they tell you that you should put your link here. The link is already here. Well, what you will do is you will highlight this part and you will click on insert / edit link, and this tab will pop up. And here on the link URL, this is where you will put your affiliate link from ClickBank, JVZoo, or Warrior Plus. It doesn't matter. Oh, by the way, I was about to commit a very huge mistake. Before even putting the raw link on the classified ad, I would really encourage you and recommend you to shorten the link with bit.ly. So here I have done mine before. So now we put the link in here, insert. Now, as you can see, it highlighted on blue, and that means that the link is already inserted. So in where it says name, you will obviously put your name, in case my name is Stefano. So in price, you don't put nothing, you just don't put nothing. And obviously the way that classified ads work is that you have to put a country and a region, because obviously it works the same as newspaper. You were shown the classified ad in the region and country you were reading it. So this works the same way. So I will choose Australia, Sydney, I don't know, Wyong. So that is it. Oh, and where it says please visit our site, you also post your link there. And that's it. Oh, by the way, so what you will do here is click on this. No thanks, I don't want extra exposure for my ad right now. I just want to submit a free ad. Unless you want more exposure for your ads so as to get more traffic. You could pay them to mark that as premium, or highlight them, or put the two things there, or to pay $10, $20, and they will highlight them and mark it as premium. This will make it will not only bring more exposure, but it will have higher chances of your ad being clicked. Now, in this case, as I promised, this is free, so we are going for free. So what you will choose is no thanks, I don't want extra exposure for my ad right now, I just want to submit a free ad, and you hit publish. That's it. So now the ad will go into a revision. It's like a 5-minute revision. They usually get it instantly there for you, and that is the method, guys. Now, what I would recommend you to do, also, that is a secret that I also learned from a YouTuber called Franklin Hatchet, is instead of just posting your affiliate link on the classified ads, what I would do is I would make a funnel where it is designed specifically to grab emails. Why? Because if you grab emails, not only you can promote that product, but you can also keep promoting products on and on and on, and you have an asset where you can make money online every month, every week, or even every day. So I will leave a video where Franklin explains how you can build an affiliate funnel for free. I will leave his video up here, or you can also watch my video that I made on how to make an affiliate funnel here in the upper right corner too. So guys, this was all for this video. Hope you have all your doubts clarified, and yeah, it's pretty self-explanatory. Obviously, I would recommend you to do this method a couple times a day. Mostly by posting one classified ad, you won't be getting enough traffic for you to get sales. So what I would recommend you to do is just try doing a lot of classified ads in a day, not to get you banned, but like 10 to 20 classified ads a day, so that you have higher chances of getting sales. So guys, that is it for this video. Please subscribe, hit the bell icon so that you get notified when I make new videos. Comment and like, and please share my video. So till next one, guys.